Hey guys, how's it going? So there's a hot stock that came out not too long ago. I think on like September 27th. It IPO'd. It's called Trulieve Cannabis Corp. They're basically a medical cannabis company in Florida. They produce various Trulieve brand products, including nasal spray, capsule, concentrate, syringe, cannabis flower in tamper-proof containers for vaporizers, tropical creams, vape cartridges. So it sells like a bunch of product, and they're supposed to be making decent amount of money. They went public by doing they agreed to do a reverse takeover from the company. What's it called? Trulieve Exploration Incorporation. So they did reverse takeover so they can go public on the Canadian Security Exchange, because you know, Canada is supposedly where all the money is for weed companies, but I don't think that's true at all. I think the U.S. market is where the money is, but unfortunately they can't list on the New York Stock Exchange, and they don't want to list on the OTC, so they want to list on the Canadian Security Exchange instead, just like Madman, because they want the Canadian buyers to buy up the stocks. So, you know, there's only a limited amount of money in Canada. There's not a lot of rich people in Canada. And all the rich people don't really want to pay speculation stock. So like super rich people won't buy speculation stock. They might buy like Canopy and maybe Aurora, but they're not gonna put a huge amount of money into speculation stock, a new IPO company. So I just thought I'd bring this up because it just came out and a lot of people were chatting on my channel. There was people on Facebook messaging me, "Oh, what your thoughts on Trulieve? What's your thoughts on Trulieve?" And I'll give you my thoughts on Trulieve. Today Trulieve went down a little bit. Let's see what it is right now. Oh, it's down quite massively. Is it opportunity to buy? I don't know. Maybe. It's ran up quite a bit in the last not too long ago. So I think it's just the stock's just cooling off and people are taking profits. That's what I believe is happening right now. Trulieve is traded on 7.5 million shares. This is the reason why people like it so much, because this stock can easily being pushed up because it's traded on such a small amount of shares that if somebody puts a lot of money into it, it can easily be pushed up. It's worth $167.7 million in market cap. Yeah, I mean it's good and bad. I don't know. It's just it's traded in Canada only. I mean, maybe it's could. I mean, there's a few problems I have with this company. I'll explain it in the next video. I'm just want to point this out, that it's traded. It has 7.5 million shares, and the market cap's $167 million. They have really nice looking dispensaries in Florida, like as you can see in these pictures. The dispensaries are really nice, and they have a lot of diversified product portfolio. So yeah, they have a decent amount of dispensaries. The dispensary looks very nice, and they have a lot of products too. Like if you look at the shop side, like all the products look pretty nice and well branded. And then for the Trulieve, and then they came out with the financials, which they only highlighted the good points. They weren't very transparent with this. They're saying that they have 16 dispensary operational. They have 83 active unique patients. Revenue growth of 15.2 million to 23.2 million in Q2 2018, EBITDA of 11.2 million, and Q2 of like 14.3 million. Like, of course they're gonna show off everything that's good about this company. They're gonna show off in this report. Like here the gross margin is like very good. They're sort of showing that, you know, growth from 2017. They said that the gross margin increased dramatically, yet the revenue decreased a little bit, but the gross margin increased quite a bit. And they say that in Q2 the gross margin even increased even more, and the revenue even increased even more. But they don't have, like, in this, they're missing the balance sheet, so they don't have, like, I don't know how much assets they have, like what's the total amount of assets, the total amount of liabilities. Those are very important to me. I can't find them anywhere on the internet. And then what's their net income? Are they losing money in the company? Are they making money in the company? I don't know, because they don't show that in the financial reports. They don't. I guess operational expense, you minus operational expense by the EBITDA. I guess wouldn't EBITDA be wouldn't that be profits? I'm not too sure, but I want to see the balance sheet. They don't have that. And yeah, so I don't know what the liabilities and I don't know what the assets are. They don't have that anywhere on this. So, and then when I went to Sedar, there's nothing listed on Sedar. There's no earnings report, nothing reported on Sedar. So it's a little bit of a red flag for me, honestly. Like, I need to see balance sheet. I need to see liabilities. That's just me, though. I want to see how much this company is really worth. Is it worth 160 million? Or do they only have 150 million dollars in assets, and I don't know, $200 million in liability because they took out tons of debt to start up the company? I don't know, but it's very important information to me that they have a full income statement that shows everything, and I can't find anything on the internet, on Trulieve. So the company's not very transparent. Let's see what the stock price is right now. It's 801. So it's starting to recover a little bit. You could buy in and hope to make a quick dime. I mean, how far can this thing go? Can this thing be $300 million market cap? Can it be a $700 million? If it goes $100, it's basically $760 million market cap. I mean, it's possible that there might be that much money in Canada. I don't know if people are willing to risk and throw everything, all the entire life savings into Trulieve. I wouldn't. I honestly don't think the company is very transparent. They only show off what they want to show off. They don't want to show off everything. I want more information. I want a full income statement, like with regular companies, where they list everything. They list all the operations. They list, like, they show like everything, like what Aurora does. Like, Aurora has a bit, when it comes up with the financial report, they have everything on the financial report. They show the company. They show the true value of the company through the entire income statement. This company does not do anywhere close to Aurora. They just want to show off exactly what they what investors want, like to show off investors that, hey, we make lots of money, we have good gross margin, we have low operational expenses. That's all they want to show off. They don't want to show off the assets. They don't want to show off the balance sheet. They don't want to list any information like what's the future growth like are they planning to expand into, you know, legal companies like in California, Nevada, like no information on that at all. So that's kind of weird to me, a little bit of a red flag for me. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's more information on the internet that I have not seen yet. I don't know. Let's get on a little talk about today. Like, wow, Roy is going up. There's absolutely no news right now on any of the cannabis industry, like on the big players. I think maybe they're saving all the big news for next week when the last week of legalization. They're trying to build up excitement, you know, for investors, so then they go out and buy the products or something. So I think I think they're gonna save the excitement for last week. Cam Batley did promise us an exciting fall, and so far it has been a pretty boring fall. There has been no news, nothing on the cannabis industry. I'm very disappointed. I thought we would see some exciting news this week, and we have saw nothing. We saw squat. Hopefully next week we see something big. We have some big exciting news. So far it's already Wednesday, October 3rd, and we heard squat from Aurora. But I'm hoping, I'm crossing my fingers that we hear something very exciting this fall. Because fall is almost over. Fall is like, I think fall is over in like the end of October, and then it'll be winter time. So Canopy had no news today too, but you know, Canopy stock's rising. Of course it's rising because it's considered very undervalued. You see what Namaste is at. Namaste is rising too, because it had such a big decline yesterday that of course it's going to be rising today. But I don't think this rise will last. I think this rise will be like temporary. So we'll see what happens. But this is my belief that this rise is only temporary. Because it's declined so much yesterday that investors are just pumping it up today. I don't think it's going to go back to $3. It's just my opinion. Unless management has some killer news in the pipeline, I don't see this stock going back to $3 or $4. But we'll see what happens. Maybe there's some kind of killer news in the pipeline that will increase the stock price quite dramatically. American Wayland had a decrease today. This stock has not been coming out with any news. I heard on Midas letter saying that they have some hot news in the pipeline. Nothing so far for this company, so I'm giving this company exposure because I own a bunch of shares in this company. I own 50,000 shares. Disclosure, yeah, and then again, I have to put my disclosure. I'm not a financial advisor. I made this video for entertainment purposes. Do your own due diligence. Yeah, that's all I have to say. I wonder what AMD stock is today and what Tilray stock is today. Oh shit, AMD. AMD's on a decline. Must be depressing for bag holders. It's $27. Thinking maybe I should pick up some more, but then people were talking about that it could go to $25. Maybe if it goes to $26, I'll pick up some more. Like right now, I'm kind of at a loss because yesterday I thought it was an opportunity to buy, but it declined even more. So, I wonder. But you guys find out if I bought any. If you join my stock market membership group, the link is in the description below. There's only 5 more days left before it ends. So join before it goes back to regular price, and then once I hit 100 customers, it's going to $60. So join before it's too late. Before the discount goes away. Let's see, Tilray. Tilray was on a decline for a while now. Let's see if it's still on a decline. Tilray recovered. Yeah, the rich people are still backing the stock, pumping the stock up. The weakness yesterday just made, buying opportunity for these rich people. At least I think so. I don't know. I'm just speculating at the end of the day. Had a little dip yesterday, and then today it popped up again. I don't know. I don't know what to think about this stock. I think this stock is just backed by super rich people. This is my opinion. See where Tesla is today. Tesla. Yes, Tesla's going down. I'm hoping this stock goes to 280 so I can pick up a little bit of shares. I don't know. I really want to own Tesla stock for some reason. It attracts me. I don't get it. I really truly believe that Elon Musk is gonna take Tesla to, you know, what, like a $3,000 stock in 5 to 10 years from in the future. I think in the future, like if you think about the future, right? Do you think in like 5 to 10 years from now, people are gonna be driving carbon cars, or is it gonna be like self-driving electric cars? I think it's gonna be self-driving electric cars in 10 years from now. So I think Tesla is really undervalued at these prices if you think like super long term on the stock. But you know, Elon Musk could mess up. It's a business. He does do some weird, crazy things from time to time. So you never know with Tesla. Crazy things happen all the time in businesses. That is unpredictable. Anyways, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to sign up to my stock market membership group. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Give me a thumbs down if you dislike this. Subscribe for future updates. And have a great day. Bye.